1 face zoom and smooth shake like this. What's up guys, welcome back to another brand new tutorial video. Today I'll show you how to make head zoom and hard shake like preview. On Alight Motion, this tutorial video will make your videos grand level. This powerful combo will elevate your edit, so without wasting your time, let's get started. After opening Alight Motion, I would say, arrange your clips with speed ramping. And if you don't know how to make speed ramping, don't worry guys, I already uploaded, you can check out this video. After complete the speed ramping, we are going to add a null layer in every clip, like this. Now we have to duplicate the null layer and move to the next beat mark and do same thing in every beat mark. After add null layer, now we have to connect in EV clips. After complete to connect in null, now we are going to null layer and move and transform. This is important. Click one time, and as you can see this small black dot, so you can drag in the character hair and follow my steps. Copy the graph. Now do the same thing in others null layer. And paste the graph. Maybe in some clips you need to adjust the graph like me. Now I'm doing this in opposite, everything like before. But before we gave the zoom in, and now we are giving zoom out. Okay, so you can try in every null layers. In some layers give zoom in and some layers give zoom out. And now the last thing is, and that's smooth shake. Now we're going to the clips and effects section and distortion and warp. And add tiles. Again go the effects section and move and transform and add swing. Again go the effects section and move and transform and add auto shake. Again, go the effect section and then blur section and add motion blur. Now click here and click on copy layer, and now again click here and click on select all layers and deselect the music and all null layers like me. And again click here and go to the paste style and deselect all buttons, but do not affect button, and paste it. Now as you can see, your effect is pasted in every clips layer, and now your smooth shake and head zoom is ready. Okay, so now you've learned how to create the head zoom and hard shake. But if you want to make more hard shake, check out the video on the left side where I show you how to create the direction blur hard shake. And in the video on the right side, I explain how to make cold CC in Alight Motion. That's it for today's video. So this was Zenox signing off. See you guys in the next one. Till end. Peace.